Kamusta? Sana safe pa rin kayo. Ngayon, nasa week 4 na tayo ng enhanced community quarantine. And hopefully, healthy pa rin tayong lahat. And this afternoon, parang init. So, I decided na gumawa naman ng MILO DALGONA. So, from my previous video, gumawa naman ako ng coffee dalgona. If you want to know how to make it, just ililink ko na lang yung video before ng paggawa ko ng coffee dalgona. And now, we'll start making our MILO DALGONA. If you want to know kung paano, just keep on watching. Thanks! To make MILO DALGONA, we'll need sugar, Nestle cream, syempre, the main ingredient yung Milo, some milk, fresh milk. Kung wala kayong fresh milk, pwede ka na rin magtimpla ng any powdered milk will do. Optional naman to na magkaroon ng parang chocolate chips to sprinkle in, para ma-sprinkle din. And then, I have a mixer. Pwede rin naman, kahit wala kang mixer, ibatayin mo na lang sa kamay mo. Now, let's start.
A few moments later.
So, ito yung finished product. Enjoy!